Art of self-balance. The best and the easiest way of investing is to keep it simple. But it is often the most difficult thing to do, as a lot of DIY investors try to outsmart the market by juggling their investment across debt and equities in different market conditions. It does not stop there. Many of them try to time the market precisely based on their instincts and impulse. Managing asset allocation across different market cycles based on different factors and variables on a daily basis is challenging and requires one to remain emotionally unbiased to make rational investment decisions. In fact, even experts are wary of deciding to enter and exit at an opportune time. Not to forget, a simple mistake can cost investors considerably. What if you could invest in a fund that endeavors to offer growth when the markets are favorable and seeks to provide stability during uncertain times without any of these hassles? Balanced Advantage Funds as a category can offer you the best of both worlds by taking exposure in both equity and debt, depending upon the prevailing market conditions. They are dynamic asset allocation funds that manage allocation across debt and equity by considering various parameters in different market phases. So, aim to keep your investments simple by using this self-balancing and automated strategy. Invest in Balanced Advantage Funds. Art of Self-Balance. An investor education and awareness initiative by Aditya Birla Sun Life Mutual Fund. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.